have it. I just want to show you how I changed up the learning log for this week. We're going to try something a little bit different than what we did last week. So you'll see over here that there are assignments for today and then Thursday and then Sunday. So if you click on the one for today, the LL check or learning log check, you'll see that it's just this little two-sentence reminder that says you don't actually have to submit anything to this folder, but that this is a reminder that I'll be checking it. So where you're going to actually find the assignment is if you go back into the course, the agenda and the learning log are here. So we're going to try it out this week, having everything combined into 1 week. So what this says is I've attached the agenda and learning log for the week. And it does look a little different. I'm about to open it up, so I'll show you as far as the format. And I'm going to be checking the form on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, or Monday morning, whatever it ends up being. And you are going to use this like a planner to help you schedule out your days and really your week, and then also as a learning log to tell me what you've learned and the activities that you completed for each class. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the agenda so you can see, and I'm going to walk you through it. You can see at the top, it tells you the week of that you're working in. So it actually started yesterday, but you're going to get it ready for today and yesterday. And then you can see that each day there's a designation at the top. So you'd be working in Monday. And asks you some pretty simple questions, but I'm going to focus on these for the purposes of grading. I really want you to attempt to answer these fully. So what activities did you do today? What are you learning? What are you still confused on? Those are the kind of questions you would be answering on a learning log anyway. So we've taken them and put them into this assignment. And then down here in the bottom is more about just general observations, things that you've heard, whatever it may be. These can be academic or not, but this is more of us just getting a feel for, or me getting a feel for the things that you have going on right now at home and in class. So on the side is your planner for the day. When you start school at 9 to when you finish stuff at 2:30. I realize some of you are working outside of those hours, but just how long you plan to be working on each one of your assignments. And then you can use the to-do list if you need to, things that you know you still need to finish. And then at the bottom is just, if one of those days you go out and do something, like you go for a walk or whatever it may be, you can put that kind of like your backwards mapping. So the bottom portion, the to-do and the physical and self-care. So those are there. And then you'll see that once you finish Monday, it has Tuesdays the exact same format and all the way through the week. So in an ideal world, today, Tuesday, you would kind of get caught up, since I'm just assigning this to you for Monday and Tuesday. Then you could go through and actually start planning for tomorrow, because you should know what's maybe going to be available, and then you can go in and start putting those things in. So and then you would go back after and fill this out. So this is more of a daily type thing that you would be doing. I'm not going to check it every single day, so if you don't get it quite finished, just remember I'll be looking at it on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sunday, but really it'll end up being Monday morning, because it's not due till Sunday at 11:59, and I'm not going to stay up until midnight to grade your thing, so I'll look at it Monday morning. I think that's it. I'm hoping that this will give me a little more information about what you're doing in your classes than the last check-in, which really just asked you to list what you had done and if it was done or not. So while that's great and all, it wasn't giving me a whole lot of insight into what you were actually doing. And I'm hoping this will. So there's that. And I think that's it. All right, thanks.